So the new Motorola RAZR 2020 has been released for a few months now, but I got my hands on one. So I decided to do a video to show you the top 15 coolest features that you need to know about the updated 2020 Motorola RAZR. So my name is Sergio with Serg-Tech. In this channel, I do a lot of reviews and tutorials. So if you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and do so now and hit the bell to receive notifications on my future videos. And before we begin the video, go ahead and hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm. And without further ado, let's jump right into the video now. All right, so for number one, we're gonna have the retro RAZR feature, which is this feature right here. So what it does is it actually just makes your Motorola RAZR 2020 look like the previous RAZR, which was released back in like the year 2000s, in the year 2004. All right, so with this retro feature, you're gonna have the dial pad looking the same as the old model. Even the screen is gonna look completely the same, but obviously it's just an entire touch screen. So you're gonna have a couple cool little features here on this retro RAZR. So if you press the button up here,
hello Moto,
it's gonna give you that hello Moto sound. And then if you select up here, it's gonna take you straight to messages, and you can always hit the back button to return back to the retro RAZR screen. If you select this button here, it will take you to your recent calls and pull up the dial pad as well. If you dial a number, it will pull up like the old style dial pad so that you can make a phone call. All right, and once you're ready to get out of the retro RAZR feature, all you have to do is tap on the home button right here and it will exit out of it. And in order to activate this feature, what you're gonna have to do is you're gonna have to scroll down on the notification panel. You're gonna scroll down one more time and you're gonna select this pencil icon right here. So select that, and then here it's gonna allow you to drag different settings around. So retro RAZR will be down here, and what you'll do is you will tap on it and hold it and drag it upwards to the main notification panel so that you can have quick access to it. And then there's also other features that you can also drag around and customize straight to the main notification panel, so that when you scroll down on the notification panel, the RAZR feature will be right here. So for number two, another cool feature is that the rear camera of the phone, which is this one right here, which is the main camera, will be your selfie camera when the phone is closed. So that's pretty cool because the rear camera on all phones is usually the camera with the most megapixels, meaning it's the better camera out of the two. The phone also brings a front selfie camera on the screen here as well, but once the phone is closed, you'll be able to use your rear camera as a selfie camera as well, and you will get higher resolution pictures from your selfie camera since you're taking them with the main camera. So that's a pretty cool feature there for the new RAZR. And once you open the screen up, it will transition the camera, if you have it open, to the main screen, and it will continue using the main camera. So if you want to flip it over, you can just select right here, and now it will change over to the front selfie camera on the screen. So for number three, we're gonna have the MOTO app. So the MOTO app is an app that comes with all Motorola phones, and in this one it is very cool since the phone comes with a bunch of new features because of the two screens. So once you're here in the MOTO app, it will give you a big selection of different things to choose from to customize your Motorola device. So for example, you can select here MOTO actions, and here it will give you all the different special features for the device, and you can check them all out and enable them. And you can also go back and set up different things like the MOTO display, the peak display, and get tips on how to set everything up as well and how to use it on RAZR tips right here. So for number four is you can do a karate chop motion like this and it will activate the flashlight, and you can do this with the phone, and if you do it again, it will turn it off. And the cool thing is that you can do this with the screen open or closed. So now with the screen open, let's do it, and as you can see, it will turn it on as well, and then it will turn it off. And the sensors for the gestures work very well and very quickly as well. And you can set this up by going into MOTO actions, and it's going to be this option right here, fast flashlight. Just make sure you enable it. So for number five, cool feature is with the secondary display, you'll be able to do certain things like take a look at email, check messages, open up your front selfie camera. Here you'll be able to make phone calls, and you can add shortcuts to call contacts that you set up here on the shortcuts as well. And here you can go ahead and take a look at your notifications as well. So you can select certain items here from the notification panel on the secondary screen, and once you flip the screen open, it will take you directly to whatever it was that you were looking at on the secondary screen. And this is called Motorola Transitions. So for number six, we have quick activate camera, which you can do this by just twisting your wrist like this, and it will automatically open up the camera. And the cool thing is you can also do this with the screen closed. Just flick your wrist and it will open up the camera on the secondary screen here as well. And you can do this by going into the MOTO app, going to MOTO action, actions. And here you're gonna select quick capture and just make sure that you enable that. Number 7 is gonna be to take quick screenshots. All you have to do is hold 3 fingers on the screen, on any part of the screen, and it will automatically take a screenshot of your screen. And you can do this with the screen with your phone open like this and closed as well. Okay, so you can take screens of things here on your notification panel as well. Just press and hold with 3 fingers, and it will take a screenshot of this screen as well. And once again, you can set this up by going into the MOTO app, MOTO actions, and here select 3-finger screenshot and enable it. So for number 8, we have an option to silence the ringer when you pick up your phone. So sometimes you're picking up the phone and you want to just silence the call volume on the ringer. So you have to press the volume buttons to silence it. Well, you don't have to do that any longer with the Motorola RAZR 2020. Just by picking up your phone when it's ringing, it will silence the ringer. That's a useful feature in my opinion. I know I use that. I know I'm probably going to be using that a lot. All you have to do is go to MOTO actions, and here enable pickup to silent. All right, so for number 9, we have a quick access to do not disturb. So maybe at night before you go to sleep, or maybe sometimes during the day, you don't want any in calls or messages or your phone going off for any particular reason, and you want to put it in do not disturb. Well, before you would have to go to the notification panel and enable it. You don't have to do that any longer. Now with the Motorola RAZR 2020, you have a quick do not disturb option, which all you have to do is place the phone down like this, and it will vibrate, letting you know that do not disturb has been activated. And this works with the screen closed or with the screen open as well. Let's try it like this. As you can see, it activated do not disturb, and once you pick up the phone, it will disable do not disturb automatically. And in order to set this up, it is done once again through the MOTO app, MOTO actions, and enable flip for DND. So for number 10, we have another feature which is called swipe to shrink screen. So you can just swipe downwards to any side of the screen from the middle of the phone, and it will minimize these screens. And as you can see, it has minimized the screen. And in order to restore it, all you have to do is just tap right here where it says tap to restore full screen. Just tap right there and it will restore it to the full size screen. And you can do this to any side of the screen that you want to. As you can see, you can do it to that side as well. And the reason for doing this is so that if you're using one-handed navigation, you'll be able to reach everything with one finger much easier for one-handed use. And you can also activate this through the MOTO app. In MOTO actions, enable swipe to shrink. Another cool feature with the Motorola RAZR 2020 is that it also has facial recognition for facial unlocking, just like iPhone's Apple Face ID. And it works with the screen open or closed as well. So let's go ahead and try it out here. So as you can see, it does have the lock. Let it scan my face really quick. As you can see, it works very quick. Let's go ahead and lock the phone and do it with the screen open now. And as you can see, it did it within a second. And in order to set this up, you will just go to settings, and here you will scroll down to security, and it's going to be this option right here, which is called face unlock. It's going to ask you to enter in a PIN, and here it will scan your face for quick access to your device. For number 12, we're going to have the fingerprint scanner. So another form of security to access your phone. Aside from the face unlock, you can also just use your fingerprint and it will unlock it as well. And the fingerprint scanner will be right here on the bottom of the phone, and it works very quick as well. And it's going to work with the screen closed or with the screen open as well. And like I said, it works very quickly to access your device. So for number 13 is that we're going to have a camera cartoon now for the Motorola RAZR 2020. So when you're taking pictures, it's going to actually show a cartoon over here on the secondary screen, letting you know that the rear camera is activated and that the phone is taking a picture. And you can activate that by going into your camera settings. Once you're in your camera, select the settings wheel up here, and you're going to enable camera cartoon, which is this option right here. For number 14, we're going to have attentive display. So attentive display is an option in the Motorola RAZR. Keeps the screen lit as long as you are looking at it. So unlike other phones that dim after a few seconds, the Motorola RAZR, once you activate this feature, it's going to know that you are still viewing the screen, so it will stay lit up completely until you are no longer looking at it. So that's a pretty cool feature. I know it can get annoying if you're doing something on your phone and you don't touch it for a few seconds and the screen dims. So this is definitely a useful feature, and you can activate this into the MOTO app. Here in the MOTO app, you will scroll down and it's going to be under MOTO display. So you're going to select MOTO display and just make sure that attentive display is enabled. And for number 15, we're going to have another pretty cool feature, is that once the phone is closed and you're playing music on your device, you can go ahead and change tracks by using the volume button. As you can see, the music music is continuing to play here. So once you press and hold one of the volume buttons, the track will change. So all you have to do is just press and hold it until the phone vibrates, and that means that the track has changed. If you just tap the volume buttons quickly, it will increase the volume and decrease the volume. But if you tap and hold it, it will change tracks. Alrighty everyone, so those were the top 15 coolest features for the Motorola RAZR 2020 in my opinion. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Don't forget to give this video a like, it really helps the channel out a lot. And that's it for this one everyone. I will see you in the next video. And as always, peace.